These are the elevators at the Marquis 1 Tower in Atlanta, Georgia. We're going up to 27. These were Dover, but they got modded. Here we are at 27. What was the capacity? 3,500 pounds. Here's a quick cab view since we might not get the same car going down. Let's go to SL. We got J now. I believe SL is street level. Let's watch the indicators. Here's a cab view real quick. And let's end it up back where we started at L. We got J again. So this bank serves 15 through 28. Up through 14 are on a separate bank. And here's the list of floors. And that'll be it.